if you remember, I recently posted a video on trying clothes from street style store, and specifically their 3 for 7.99 category. If you don't know, street style store is like this e-commerce website which offers very cheap and affordable clothing. Today I ordered 3 clothing pieces from their 3 for 11.99, so that brings each price, the price of each item to almost 400 rupees, which is quite cheap. Let's start with the piece that I was most excited about, which is this retro pleasant floral printed top. Now their MRP is 9.99, but अभी इन्होंने कुछ उसको सेल पे 5.99 किया है, and इस deal के साथ I got it for, well, 3.99 or something. So obviously we'll have to keep this price in mind. The color and the print is a little different from what they've shown, so I am a little disappointed, but let me quickly try this on and see whether it looks good on me, see the quality, everything, and talk about it further. I am speechless right now. Let me just take 2 seconds to calm down. I think the fabric is pretty good. Pretty sure this is like a polyester mix kind of fabric, but this is very soft. Like, it is so damn soft. I think it really flatters my décolletage area. The way it fits against my shoulder, it's not droopy, like it's not falling down. This is how the top normally looks. But then you just take this drawstring, you pull this, tie a knot here, and you've got like this ruched top, like a crop top here. Also at the back there is this smock back, so बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. It's like hugging me so nicely, but then it's very comfortable. Does not make me feel uncomfortable at all. And then the sleeves, like the sleeves are so damn loose and exaggerated. I was disappointed at first, but then I think after putting it on, after wearing it, I think I don't have that much of a problem with the fact that it's also different. And I'm pretty sure you'll have questions about the sizing of this. I got this in XL. I actually get everything from Street Style Store normally in XL because I'm not sure about their sizing, so I prefer to size up. So yes, now overall I would say that obviously keeping that piece in mind जो मैंने website में देखा है, I am a little disappointed. But if I see this piece alone, I think it's a very good piece for under 3.99. Previous videos, if you know me at all, you know there's this one particular kind of top wear that I cannot resist buying, which is any top with a beautiful square neck at the front. I recently posted a video on my square neck top collection. You can check it out. I'll link it here and in the bottom bar. I think I've got like 9 or 10 pieces, and God knows I don't need more. Now this is their balloon sleeve smoking top in rosy brown, and it's in this really beautiful mauve color. Now can you see this is completely matching my wall, and this one again, its MRP is 9.99. Abhi sale time mein they've written it to be 5.99. Now this is what the top looks like. It's actually pretty easy to explain. It's got square neckline. It's got this smoked front and back, so pura front and back iska same hai. Coming to a fitting of the top, I think it fits really well in this upper part. I mean, again, the shoulder part is very nicely elasticated, so it's not falling down. यहाँ पे भी there are these cute ruffles, and the detailing here is really good. Now coming to this part, like the stomach area, I think it is a little bit tight for me here. Although it is elasticated, so it does not feel that suffocating or anything, but still I can feel like it's like just sucking my body in. Now if you ask me whether the product that I got actually matches the product on the website, it 100% does. I mean, just look here, it is the same product, it is the same detailing, sleeve length bhi almost same hai, and also you can see the color is same. Now that is a big thing because normally website mein jo color dikhta hai usse colors bahut different aate hain. I think I saw this top in a bunch of different colors as well. I think there was a black one, a green one, like there was a bunch of different colors. So you do have options. If you don't like this kind of shade, you can always opt for a neutral black one or some other shade. I think it's a good top, like a good square neck top in a very, very, very cheap price. But there are a couple of white lines across the sleeve part. I don't know, I think it is some kind of manufacturing defect. Maybe this is the reason it is for so cheap. Like, I don't know, can you notice it? They are not that apparent, but if I closely, if I look, I can see them a little bit. I just noticed actually. I did not even notice the first time I got it, but right now I think against this lighting, it started shining a little bit. Like, can you see here? Right, wait, हाँ, see, you can see it's right here. So ऐसे थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में इसमें से कुछ है, but I don't think like I mind it that much. I'll wash it and I'll see if it comes out. Even if it doesn't, it's not that visible. I mean, for 399, it's a good top, so I need to keep that price point in mind. Again, I got this in XL, and now let's move on to the final piece. 'Cause you are the only one. From one black TJ bottom to another, here we are in the next fit. Now this is the piece that I was most skeptical about, because well, for under 399 getting a night suit is a big deal. You normally never get night suits for so cheap unless you're going out and buying them from any street market. Again, इसका भी fabric is very good. It's again the same fabric. I think तीनों top का वही same mix polyester kind of fabric है. But even this feels so soft. It's not at all itchy or anything, and it is a little bit on the thicker side. It's not super flimsy or thin, and I was really impressed with that. As I said before, I've already washed it once and it has not shrunk at all, so that is amazing. Now the shorts are super high-waisted, like you can see here for yourself. They are not too short at the front and the back. They fit so nicely, and I really like it. I like the top as well. I wanted this to be a little bit, you know, like a little bit on the loose and airy side, because obviously if you wear something for sleep, you don't want to feel too restricted. So I really like that. It's super, like, you know, airy and really nice. Again, the same fabric as the first two pieces. I think that is a very staple fabric for this price category. Now obviously this is not cotton, so if you prefer wearing only cotton pieces to go to sleep or for night time because they are more airy and breathable, then maybe skip out on this one. This is like a mixed fabric with definitely polyester in it and maybe some other fabrics included. If you are thinking of buying this, go for it. I think this is the first night suit that I found online, which is for 399, and it actually like turned out good. I'm really happy with this. I'll definitely get this in more colors. And yes, that's it. That's the final piece. And I think this video again was a success, just like the last street style store one. I think all the products turned out good. Now let's do a question of the day. Okay, tell me in the comments, where do you live? Where are you from? Which state do you live in? I think I asked this question once before, but then तब से अब तक हमारी family has grown quite a bit. A lot of new people have joined us. Just tell me in the comments where you're from, answer the question of the day, and also tell me in the comments which was your favorite piece from this video and which piece would you like to buy. Now as usual, all the links will be there in the description bar, and yes, that's it. Bye guys. Make sure that you subscribe and take care of your mental health. Bye.